Your HVAC system works by pulling air through return air grill ductwork, takes it to the furnace, it goes through the furnace and then through an evaporator coil, which cools the air and dehumidifies the air. When the air is dehumidified, it has water. The water drains through, goes outside, or into a pump that's in front of the furnace. After it goes through the coil, it is delivered to the home through the supply ductwork and the supply registers that are in your home. After a cycle, the thermostat feels that it is cool enough and it turns the system off. If you have any questions about your HVAC system, please give Fulton Services a call. We'll be there right away.